So we're going to talk about the all function. What is the all function? So it is simply a function that returns true if all the elements are true in a list passed to it. So if I have a list of booleans, so the all function takes in booleans as a list, takes in an iterable, like a list of booleans as an argument. So let's imagine there is John. He has his arrival hours. Monday 8.5, Tuesday 8.75, and goes on. So now we come here to the arrival checks. So we need to check. We need an iterable booleans. How do we do that? We can use list comprehension. This is list comprehension. So what it does, I'll say let if x is less than 9. So if his arrival hours are less than 9, all of them are less than 9. So this is going to return true for all. For x in arrival hours, this dictionary arrival hours dot values. So now values to return for me a list of 8.57.59 and goes on. Now this list is going to pick out one by one x, and then it's going to check if that x is less than 9, and all of them are less than 9. And this is going to return a boolean, either true or false. But in this case, it's going to return true for all. Now when I print out my arrival checks, let's see what happens. Print it out. Less than 9. So I'm going to say less than 9.5 to make sure that it returns true all. Yeah. So it's going to return true for all of them. True. Now, I want to call my all function. Now remember, our all function, what does it do? It takes in a list or an iterable of boolean values, and it returns true if all the values in that list are true. So if I run my all function, it's going to return true, as you can see here, true, since all my booleans in that iterable of the list are true. So that's how the all function works. Simply that's that. Takes in an iterable of boolean values, and then it returns if any of the values in that, if all the values in the list, or all the booleans in the list are true, then it will return for us true. Simple as that.